Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the best Amazon camera gear for travel vloggers. Whether you're just starting or a seasoned pro, having the right gear can make all the difference in capturing those epic travel moments. We're talking tripods, cameras, drones, and all the essentials to take your vlogs to the next level. Let's get started. First up, we've got the Digitek DTR 520BH tripod. Now, a tripod is essential for any travel vlogger, and this one from Digitek is a solid choice, especially if you're on the move. What I like about this tripod is its foldable design. It collapses down to just about 20 inches, making it super easy to pack in your backpack or suitcase. And when you're ready to shoot, it extends to a comfortable 5.2 feet, giving you that extra height for those scenic shots. But portability isn't the only thing going for the Digitek DTR 520BH. It's also built like a tank. This thing is sturdy, thanks to its aluminum construction which can handle heavier cameras and lenses. You don't want your tripod wobbling around in the wind, ruining your shots, and this one stays put. Speaking of staying put, the quick-release locks on the legs are a lifesaver, especially when you're setting up and breaking down your gear multiple times a day. No more fiddling with twist locks, just flip the levers, and you're good to go. Now, I've used my fair share of tripods, and I can confidently say that this Digitek tripod offers a great balance of stability, portability, and affordability. It's perfect for travel vloggers who need a reliable tripod without breaking the bank. Next up, let's talk cameras. And for action-packed travel vlogs, you can't go wrong with the DJI Osmo Action 4. This little beast is a powerhouse when it comes to capturing smooth, stabilized footage, no matter how bumpy the ride gets. One of the standout features of the Osmo Action 4 is its incredible image stabilization. DJI calls it rock steady, and it lives up to the name. Whether you're running through the streets of a bustling city or mountain biking down a rugged trail, this camera keeps your footage buttery smooth. And don't let its size fool you, this camera packs a punch. It shoots stunning 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, giving you that slow-motion goodness for those epic shots. Plus, it's waterproof up to 18 meters so you can take it snorkeling, diving, or even just capture some cool underwater shots in the pool. Now, I know what you're thinking. How does it compare to other action cameras on the market? Well, I've used the GoPro Hero 11, and while it's a great camera, the Osmo Action 4 edges it out in terms of image stabilization and overall value for money. The footage you get straight out of the camera is fantastic, with vibrant colors and plenty of detail, and the built-in microphones do a surprisingly good job of capturing audio, even in windy conditions. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is a compact, versatile action camera that's perfect for travel vloggers who want to capture their adventures in stunning detail without carrying around a bulky camera setup. Finally, let's talk about drones. If you want to add that wow factor to your travel vlogs, you need a drone. And the King 4U drone is a great option, especially for beginners. This drone is super easy to fly thanks to its GPS positioning and stable flight control system. It practically flies itself. And don't let the affordable price tag fool you. This drone still delivers some impressive camera quality. We're talking 4K video resolution with electronic image stabilization, which means you get smooth cinematic aerial shots without breaking the bank. I was genuinely surprised by the quality of the footage I was able to capture with this drone. Now I've flown my fair share of drones from the DJI Mavic series to the Autel Evo, and while those are fantastic drones, they also come with a hefty price tag. The King 4U drone offers a great balance of affordability and performance, making it perfect for travel vloggers who want to experiment with aerial videography without spending a fortune. The drone also comes with some handy features like return to home, follow me mode, and gesture control, making it even easier to capture those epic shots. And the battery life is pretty decent too, giving you around 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Overall, the King 4U drone is a fantastic option for travel vloggers looking to add a new dimension to their content. It's easy to fly, shoots great-looking video, and won't break the bank. So there you have it, my top picks for the best Amazon camera gear for travel vloggers. Whether you're looking for a stable tripod, a versatile action camera, or a drone to capture those epic aerial shots, these products will help you take your vlogs to the next level. Links to all featured products are in the description. Check them out. Remember, having the right gear is just one part of the equation. The real magic happens when you combine it with your creativity and passion for travel. So, get out there, explore the world, and capture those unforgettable moments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment about your favorite camera gear. See you in the next video.